Hey guys, welcome back. It's Tootie. So today I am doing some spinach artichoke dip in the slow cooker. It's so easy. It's basically dump and go and you do not have to worry about it. I've got my ingredients all laid out here. I've got some artichoke hearts. I've got some roasted garlic Alfredo sauce. I've got cream cheese. I've got Italian style cheese and some spinach. And of course you gotta have some tortilla chips to go with it. So let's get started. I've got my crock pot here. I'm gonna start by putting the cream cheese in. I went ahead and diced up the cream cheese and just going to drop that all in like so. I'm then going to easily just open up my jar of Alfredo sauce and pour all of that sauce in and get a spoon and scrape out what's, all the little extras. And then I've got my artichoke hearts. I drained them and chopped them up and dumped those right in. I went ahead and I had this frozen bag of spinach in my freezer. Now with this recipe, you can do as much or as little spinach as you like. We did about half a bag here because this is partially used. We don't like a ton of spinach. And then for the cheese, I did this Italian style cheese. The recipe I'm leaving in the link does call for 3 cups. This is only 2 cups, but this has all the cheese you need. You really don't need 3 cups of cheese, and I've been doing it this way and it works really well for me. So dump that all in. This is actually a copycat recipe from Applebees. I'm not sure if you've been to Applebee's lately, but their spinach artichoke dip does not taste the same anymore. Whoever's cooking it is not doing a good job. So definitely if you're missing the old dip, try this out. So I got the black pepper in there. That's optional, but do it. Mix everything together and you're gonna just put the lid on and cook it on high for 2 to 3 hours. So I did not show you me putting the lid on, but I did. And the next scene is gonna be when it's all finished. So here I'm just taking the lid off. It's been cooking for about 3 hours on high. And this is what it looks like. Just gonna stir it up. It's super cheesy. Just with those 2 cups of cheese, everything is super soft and melty. If you would like it to cook longer and you got more time to let it cook, go for it, but 2 to 3 hours is perfect for us. This was such an easy side. That day I grilled burgers, we had some watermelon, and I just had the spinach artichoke dip on the side with it. It was perfect for like a summer dinner. It was so good. Give this a try, you guys. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I'm gonna leave the link for this recipe in the description, and I will see you guys in my next one. Enjoy.